Welcome, today in front of me Asus ROG Phone 5s, and I'll show you how to check battery health on this device with Ampere application. So we just have to get the application, so go to the Play Store and here in the search pool type the Ampere. Now just tap to install and wait a few seconds. Now just open the app, here click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And as can you see, we got here the health of our battery, that's good. And also we can see here another information about our battery level, the temperature of the battery. So we got here more information about our device, the model, the Android version, and more other information. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.